Yeah, just service that tire call.
Now, did you want me to put the spare on or just repair the tire for you?
Just repair the tire call, please.
Okay.
Don't mind.
All right. So.
Can you do that right now, or?
Oh yeah, it's 40 for the service call and additional 40 for the to plug the tire.
To plug the tire? Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Usually, if I have to put the spare on, I don't have to jack it up. Okay. You say you see like a good nail in here somewhere, huh?
Yeah, that's what it seems like, isn't it?
Oh, right there.
There's just one, isn't that?
Yeah,
Just one.
Yeah, it's just one. Do something on my end. Hold on.
Yeah, just service that tire call. Man, the messed up thing about that tire call, he had a screw, not a nail. Now, anytime you're dealing with a screw inside of a tire, my secret in taking a screw out is unscrew it. Don't try to pull it out or it's gonna take too long. It's gonna be forceful. But when you screw it, like the way the pattern the screw goes, it comes out way easier. But the only problem with this, somehow the screw went in head first. It was breached. The screw was breached. But I was able to knock that screw out, plug it up as you see in the video, collect payment. Was able to save a customer as a profile for my business. He agreed for some marketing material, and we're on to our next call. All Brothers Roadside.